Hi everyone, I'm Mallory, and I'm here to show you a 2017 Porsche Macan located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color is called Agate Gray Metallic, is all-wheel drive, and has 130,253 kilometers on it. This vehicle also has a 2-liter 4-cylinder gas engine that puts out 252 horsepower with a torque of 273 pounds per foot. This Macan uses 11.6 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 9.3 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway for fuel economy. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior features. So first we're starting with the driver's side front interior door panel. So just taking a look at all the controls here, you can see you have your power locks, your power windows, your power mirrors, and you also have power folding mirrors. Up here you have memory seats, so your seat preset. So you can have it where you have your seat set to one spot and somebody else can have it set to another spot, but you click that button, it goes to the exact spot that you want it. Down here you have your child safety locks, and you also have a power lift gate. For the back trunk, you also have one of those on the key fob. Jumping over here, taking a look at the front interior, it is leather upholstery. You do have power seats. Now we're gonna take a look over here at the odometer. So here, actually we're taking a look at the steering wheel first. So you have a nice leather steering wheel. We're gonna take a look at some of the steering wheel audio controls. So over here, you have it where you can hang up or decline a phone call. You have the back button here, which controls, if you can see it over here on the digital screen, it just moved that. So this back arrow controls the digital screen. So does this. You just roll it up or down and it will switch you for where you want to be on your digital screen. Over here, you can pick up a call or make a call just by clicking this, and this handy dandy thing controls the volume on the radio. You also have satellite radio, you have Bluetooth connection also on there, easy to figure out and switch over. And behind here, so this is an automatic transmission, but you can switch it over to standard with no clutch needed. You can easily use these handy dandy little shifters right here. Now looking over at the odometer, over on the left-hand side, you have your speedometer for how fast you're going. At the bottom of that, you also have how many kilometers are on the vehicle. In the middle, we have our RPM. Also at the bottom, you can see how fast you're going in digital, as well as you can just over there look at the speedometer. And then over on the right-hand side, you have your fuel gauge at the top. And then in the middle, you can also see which time it is, the temperature outside. And we can also switch the screen so you can change it to whichever you like. Jumping over here, taking a look at the radio. So here we just have it set to FM, but like I said before, if you click on source, you can see that you have satellite and Bluetooth. You also have an auxiliary input. You also have a map. So here's a look at your navigation system, and just popping it into reverse here. This is a look at our backup camera. Now coming down here, you just pop this open. You also have a CD player and 2 spots to put SD cards. So you have 2 little SD card slots. Coming down here, you have dual zone AC and heat. So the driver can have one, the passenger can have another. Looking just above the gear shift, you have your rear window defrost. You also have your 4-way lights, and here you have your downhill assist. Coming down along here, you have your different adjustments for how you want to have the air blown on you. You have heated and ventilated seats, both driver's and passenger side. Your traction control, you can flip it into sport mode. You have your lane departure alert, flip it into off-road mode. Here, if you're at a stop sign or a stoplight, this vehicle will shut off to help save gas. If you click this button, it won't shut off. It'll stay on the entire time. You have your parking brake. You have a 12-volt outlet Here's a quick look at the cup holders, flipping up the little console here. If you look in here, you have another 12-volt outlet, plus a USB-A port and an auxiliary input. Now taking a quick look over here on the passenger side, you have your glove compartment, great for storing manuals or maintenance bills. Over on the driver's side door, you have your seat presets, you have your power windows and power locks. Taking a quick look at the passenger seat here. Let's not forget, up at the top, you have a power tilt sliding moonroof. And last but not least, we're just gonna look at the controls up here. You have an integrated garage door opener here with your controls for your sunroof right there. Now let's hop out and take a look at some of the exterior features. So now we're taking a look at the exterior features. So first up here, you can see your LED daytime running lights. Just down at the bottom here, you have your fog lights. Coming up along the side, you have your 18-inch alloy wheels. Looking over here at the mirrors, you have your integrated turn signal mirrors. Now we're gonna go and hop to the back and take a look at the trunk. We're gonna take a look at some of the features there. So like I said, you could use your key fob and hit the button. And you can either lift it up manually, just like that. Taking a quick look at the trunk here. So you do have a tonneau cover, so if you have groceries back here and you hit the brakes, they're not going to come flying up into the back seat. But you also have a 12-volt outlet. You have 4 tie-down cleats and a nice little side pocket here. You can store something small. Lots of room for groceries or any Christmas shopping or any shopping that you might need to do. And then you just hit this button up here, and the trunk will lower just like that. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior rear features. So last but not least, we're taking a look at the driver's side rear interior door panel. So back here, the only controls that you have is just your power windows, but you do have a nice door handle behind that with a cup holder down at the bottom. Jumping to take a quick look at the rear interior. So it is leather upholstery. These seats do easily fold down. There's just a little button right here. You're gonna push it towards you. You see the red unlock come up, and then the seats fold down just like that. Easy to lift them right back up just like that. So these are a 60-40 bench seat split, and you do have car seat anchors. You have 2 on the driver's side and 2 over on the passenger side. Looking in behind the driver's side seats, you have a seat back storage pocket. You have 1 over on the passenger side as well. Taking a look at the middle, so you have rear heated seats. You can also control your temperature back here if you want it warmer, or if you want it colder, you can control it, so that way you don't have to ask anybody in the front to constantly turn up the heat or turn it down, or same thing with the air conditioning. And down here you have 2 USB-A ports. And you also have 2 hidden cup holders in your armrest. These are great for long road trips. Has some separation between you and the person beside you. Just flips up, and there you go. Quick look over on the passenger side. You can see you have your power windows over there as well. That was a look at our 2017 Porsche Macan in agate gray metallic. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111. And one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with a test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comment section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.